For millennia, the relentless sun has scorched deserts, turning everything into dust. The desert creeps forward, an unstoppable force, until now. Solar energy became an unexpected ally, helping to turn the tide of desertification. In the deserts of northwest China, near Dunhuang, rows of shining mirrors stretch out like a vast blue sea. This is China's first 100-megawatt molten salt tower photothermal power plant, where solar energy serves a dual purpose. Solar panels help stabilize the soil, reduce wind speed, and even prevent more sands from piling up. Meanwhile, 12,000 supermirrors reflect sunlight onto a towering heat receiver, creating the shape of a blooming sunflower. Inside, the salt is heated up to a blistering 565 degrees Celsius. The intense heat then drives turbines, generating electricity. It generates an impressive 270 million kilowatt hours annually, enough to power 200,000 homes. But something even more remarkable is happening here in the Kabuki Desert. Thanks to solar panels, once barren land, now transformed into lush pasture. The temperature difference between day and night causes moisture to condense on the panels, which nourishes the grass beneath. However, the grass grows so fast, it threatens the panel's efficiency. Yet, local herders have found a solution.
在这个光板下进行大面积的养殖一种沙漠母鸡。通过那个散养，让它鸡粪还铁，增加土壤肥力，然后等那个草长出来以后，我们把那个羊放进来。
This has created a perfect cycle. Solar power, healthy grass, livestock, and grazing sheep all working together. Under the shade of these solar panels, nature is thriving, the desert's hold loosens, and life begins to return.
我们现在看到的就是我们今年种植的那个4寸冰梨，它是一种优良的牧草。等它长到一定的高度以后，我们利用它的根部嫁接肉虫，野生发展这个沙漠健康产业。
Additionally, this ecosystem has the potential to become a thriving agricultural economy. This isn't just a power plant, it's a sustainable ecosystem. As these projects expand, the vision is clear. Solar power will continue to reshape China's deserts, transforming them into fertile, sustainable land. From energy to agriculture, from sand to soil. This is the future of desert reclamation, powered by the sun.